Start with the round head. Add 2 floppy ears. Add the eyes and eyebrows. Draw the nose and a smiley mouth. Add the sitting body. Add the front legs and paws. Finish with a wagging tail. Now color it all in. Now the next color. Yay! All done!